Greetings, my name is LaQuisa Harris. I will be presenting the technologies I use to deploy my own web server and website. The following technologies were used: LampStack, HTML and CSS, and JavaScript. Let's explore these technologies together. What is LampStack? LampStack is a popular software bundle used for web development and hosting. The acronym stands for L, stands for Linux, refers to the Linux operating system, which serves as the foundation of the stack. Linux provides the server environment with the web applications that are hosted. A stands for Apache. This is a widely used open source web server software. It handles HTTP requests from web browsers and delivers web content to users. Apache supports various features such as virtual hosting and SSL and TLS encryption. M stands for MySQL or MariaDB. These are open source relational database management systems that store and manage data for web applications. They provide a robust and scalable solution for data storage and retrieval. P stands for PHP, is a server-side scripting language specifically designed for web development. PHP is embedded within HTML and is executed on the server, generating dynamic web pages. It offers a wide range of functionalities and it has extensive support for interacting with databases. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used for creating web pages and applications. It is the backbone of the World Wide Web and is used to structure and present content on websites. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, is a style sheet language used to describe the visual presentation and formatting of HTML, XML documents. JavaScript is a versatile programming language primarily used for adding interactivity and dynamic functionality to web pages. I will do a brief demonstration of my site. This is my site for hiker enthusiasts who want to bring their four-legged furry friends along. If the user is returning to the site, they will click on Fido being carried through the trail here to log in. If this is the user's first time on the site, they can click on the photo of the pups in the snowy mountains. Since this is our first time, we will register. Once on the registration page, you will have a home button if you realize that you do have a login down here. And because we don't, we will create a user. You see that it's requiring me to add more than 8 characters and that I only had 5. It takes you to the login page that also has a home button if you need to return to the landing page. And once you log in, you are greeted with a happy trails message. Then you're on the user profile. This page can be configured with all the potential trails you would like to take your pup on and the favorited trails you would like to experience again. There is a place to log out where we'll take you back to the landing page. So LampStack isn't all puppy dog tails. There are some flaws. I've combined some flaws and weaknesses. Weak passwords. The fix for weak password is to enforce strong password policies by requiring complex passwords with a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Additionally, considering implementing a multi-factor authentication for added security. Outdated software. The fix for this would be to regularly update the LampStack components with the latest security patches and bug fixes. Misconfigured Apache server. The fix for this would be to ensure proper configuration of the Apache server by restricting access permissions to files and directories. Enable only necessary modules and disable unused ones. Implement SSL and TLS encryption for secure communication. Implement HTTP headers, secure HTTP headers to prevent common vulnerabilities. In this LAMP stack, the Apache server has been hardened by modifying the default headers, the directory browsing, and the default error page. Lack of web application firewall. The fix for this would be to implement a web application firewall to filter and block malicious requests, such as cross-site scripting and SQL injection attempts. Poor logging and monitoring. The fix for this would be to establish robust logging and monitoring mechanisms. Implement centralized logging to capture logs from all components of the LAMP stack. Regularly review logs for suspicious activities or security incidents. Use an intrusion detection system and a security information and event management tool for real-time monitoring. Set up tools and notifications for critical security events. The usernames and passwords have been hashed and written to the backend database, and Bart Simpson has the administrator role privileges. Now, if a user comes to the site and goes to a page that doesn't exist, they will be directed to a custom 404 page and be sad like this pup here. Now you can click on the home page, the home button, to go back to a page that does exist. This is the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed learning more about the LAMP stack technologies.